In this lesson, we will build an intuitive understanding of conditions and the if-else decision structure. We will see the idea, the syntax, and several clear examples step by step. First, what is a condition? A condition is any statement that evaluates to true or false. For example, x less than 10, y equals 0, or score greater than or equal to 60. We will also visualize a single condition on a number line and watch it switch from true to false as x moves. Now, the role of if and else. If lets your program run a block only when the condition is true. Else provides an alternate block when it is false. Here is the classic flow. We check a condition at the diamond. If yes, we go down the true path. If no, we go down the false path. Let us do a simple example. We will check if a number is positive or non-positive. We start with n equals 5. The condition is n greater than 0. That is true, so we print n is positive. Now, let us change n to negative 2. The condition becomes false, so we print n is 0 or negative. When you need more than 2 choices, chain conditions using else if. We will assign a letter grade based on the score. A for 90 or more, B for 80 or more, C for 70 or more, otherwise D or F. Let us set score to 75. We will see it fall into the C branch. Now move score to 91. It will fall into the A branch. Next, logical operators let us combine or invert conditions. And is true only when both parts are true, or is true when at least one part is true. Not flips true and false. We will check the compound condition, x between 1 and 10 inclusive. That means x greater than or equal to 1, and x less than or equal to 10. We slide x into the interval to make the whole condition true. Then move x outside the interval to make it false. Here is a quick checklist for writing decisions in code. 1. Write the condition you want to test. 2. Choose if or if-else structure. 3. Indent your code blocks correctly. 4. Test with different inputs to see each branch run. Now you try a few. 1. Write an if-else that prints even if a number n is even, otherwise prints odd. 2. Given 3 angles, use else if to classify a triangle as acute, right, or obtuse. 3. Check a person's age and print child, teen, or adult based on the range. With conditions and the if-else structure, your programs can make choices, build from simple checks, chain with else if, and combine with logical operators. Keep practicing and happy coding!